Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening both files and identifying the exact sheet and range. This is critical. Once done, switch to PowerPoint and select the slide where the table or chart belongs. Make sure to choose Insert Object for a full workbook object, or copy the Excel range, then use Paste Special and select Paste Link. This creates a live connection so updates in Excel flow to PowerPoint. Because you linked, not embedded, the source remains authoritative and smaller in file size. Now refine how the link behaves. If you linked a range, pick Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object so users can double-click to edit in Excel. If you linked a chart, choose to keep source formatting to preserve styles. Once linked, open PowerPoint's Edit Links dialog to set automatic updates or manual refresh. Automatic updates push every open, manual gives you control. Also make sure both files are saved in stable locations. Moved or renamed sources break links, so use consistent paths or network shares for reliability. Finish by saving and testing. Change a value in Excel, then open PowerPoint and either reopen or use Update Link to confirm the change appears. If the link fails, go to Edit Links, choose Change Source to point to the correct workbook, or recopy and paste link the range. Make sure network drives are accessible when presenting. If you need a portable file, embed the object instead. Just know that embedding increases file size and stops live updates, which is why linking is preferred for dynamic data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.